Hello and welcome to GATE and ESC classes. Today we will discuss about Pascal's law and its types. Before going for my lecture, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Now let's start today's topic here. Pascal's law. Pascal's law is defined as that. Just wait a second here so that I can come with lighter here. Pressure at a point in a static fluid is equal in all directions. In Pascal's law, saying that the pressure is flowing in the all directions within the static fluid is known as the Pascal's law. And another point also is there. There are 3 points of Pascal's law here. I have written here: external static pressure external in a fluid is distributed evenly throughout the fluid. In this, the saying is that the fluid is divided or distributed between all the external static pressure. For example, I will do here with the help of example of hydraulic lift here. Example, I will be taking a hydraulic lift here. First, I will be taking here as a one container here. There will be 2 flasks here. This one is here. This one is filled here. This one also is filled here. By all these, the water is filled in this. Okay, by filling here, the water will come inside with this and filled with both sides here. Means the fluid is distributed equally in all the directions here. So this is known as the Pascal's law. Here the force F1 is entering here. Here also force F2 is entering here. This one is area 2. This one is area 1. This one is P1 is equal to P2, and F1 force upon area 1 is equal to force upon area 2. This everyone knows that Pascal's law is Px is equal to Py is equal to Pz. Okay guys, moving for the next slide here. When 2 points at same elevation in continuous mass static fluid will be at same pressure. In this, the saying in the third point, what is the saying here? At the same elevation point, continuous mass static fluid will be at the same pressure. Now all the pressure will be at the equal position here. Okay guys, for example, we will be taking here pressure 1 is equal to pressure 2 is equal to pressure 3 is equal to pressure 4 is equal to pressure 5. This all the pressures will be in equal directions to each other, to the mass static fluid. Okay guys, this pressure fluid will be equal to each other. The main point is that Pascal's law is defined as that in which the static fluid is equal in all the direction to each other is known as Pascal's law. After that, I will be going for its types of pressure here. Atmospheric pressure. First is atmospheric pressure here. Force exerted by environmental mass or atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. In this, the saying is when the environmental mass or atmosphere is exerted to this pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. And absolute pressure is defined as that pressure measures with respect to absolute zero pressure line. In this, the saying that with respect to the absolute zero pressure line is known as absolute pressure line. Moving for next pressure here, gauge pressure. pressure measure with respect to local atmospheric pressure means in this thing that gauge pressure is defined it's its local atmospheric pressure. Okay, I will be telling here in the graph also. This for this one is this much is pressure atmospheric PATM. I will be writing here pressure atmospheric. This one is this much only is pressure gauge here, and this big line is P absolute here, and this line is pressure ATM line. Okay, this ATM also this line also is pressure ATM here, and this lead line is pressure gauge negative here. Okay, I will be saying here the pressure negative gauge pressure is called vacuum pressure also. Okay, and the minus 50 kilopascal pressure is equal to 50 kilopascal vacuum pressure. And one note I will be going to write here. I will be writing one note here. Please be known to each other. Gauge pressure can be positive or negative pressure, but absolute pressure can be never be negative. Okay guys, and this thing that the gauge pressure can be positive or negative pressure, but absolute pressure can never be negative. Just try to understand that gauge pressure is can be positive also but negative also, but absolute pressure cannot be negative pressure. Okay, please be line on it. And I will tell here the barometer, and the barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Please be used to measure atmospheric pressure here. And another point also I am going to write here, and the barometric fluid is mercury. Barometer fluid is mercury. And it's a low pressure low vapor pressure. Okay, sorry, low vapor pressure here. Okay, please be this barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. This question is asked many PSU exams. Okay guys, and this also is barometer fluid is a mercury of low vapor pressure used as a mercury low vapor pressure. This can be defined as low vapor pressure also. Okay, and thank you so much students. If you like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will meet you on next lecture guys. Before that, thank you so much for watching.